Good morning children, welcome back. Today we are going to do English grammar, chapter number 20, active and passive voice, part 2. Already we have started this chapter. In last lecture we have studied the meaning of active voice and passive voice, and also we have studied the rule of changing verb forms and also how to change the pronouns. Today we will doing the exercise. We will be solving some questions as how to change sentence from active to passive, and in opposite how to change sentence from passive to active voice. So let us start. I have given here some steps. You have to follow the steps in order to change the sentences. So in steps, point number 1 is we have to underline subject, verb, object and other words in the sentence. So I will underline subject, then the verb and object. Other word is not there in this question. Okay. So question is Mr. Ghosh wrote this book. So we have to change that. We will change it. Second step says object goes to the place of subject. So object is this. Object will go to the place of subject over here. As this book, we have to write an object here. After object, verb should be changed according to rule. Verb is wrote. So wrote is in which form? Wrote is in second form of the verb. According to the rule of changing verb forms, V2 is changed into was, were plus V3. So here wrote will be changed according to was, were and V3. So this book is a singular subject. We will write down was and then third form of the verb. Wrote is write, wrote, written. W-R-I-T-T-E-N. Written. After writing the verb, you have to add by. Add by. By is a preposition. Then subject goes to the place of object. Subject is Mr. Ghosh. You will write the number here. Okay. At the place of object. And finally other word. Other word is not there. So in this way, your question is solved. This book was written by Mr. Ghosh. Full stop. In this order you have to change from active to passive. Question number 2. Again, underline subject, verb, object and other words. Seema is cooking lunch for the guests. Seema is the subject. Is cooking is the verb. Seema is cooking lunch. Lunch is the object. For the guests, other word. Okay, now we will convert it into passive. After underlining the SVO, we have to write down object goes to the place of subject. Object will go to the place of subject over here. So object is lunch. Lunch. After this third step is verb should be changed according to rule. Verb is what? Is cooking. Is cooking is MR plus V1 ing. It is changed into is MR plus being plus V3 form. So this we have to write down. We will select the word is because am we write down with the subject I. And are we write with plural subject. So lunch is a singular subject. So we will write down lunch is. Then after that being. Then third form of the verb. Verb is cooking. Okay. So first form is cook and third form will be cooked. Lunch is being COOKED. Cooked. After writing the verb, we have to add preposition by. Lunch is being cooked by, then subject to the place of object. Subject is Seema. And after subject, the other words. Other words is for the guests. So answer is lunch is being cooked by Seema for the guest. Full stop. So students, in this way, by utilizing the steps, we have to change sentence from active to passive voice. This was exercise number B. Okay. Now we will do next exercise. Before that, we will see the steps how to change the passive into active. Okay. Just now we have studied active to passive. Now we will be reversing it. Passive to active. So steps is underline the subject, verb, object and other words in the question. So I have selected exercise number C. Change passive into active voice. So we will change it. Question number 1 is Mr. Sai was scared by the students. So here we have to underline the subject, verb, object. There is no other word in the sentence. So we will change it. Now underlining after that, we have to write down the object to the place of subject. Object is the students. The students. Then you have to write down the verb according to reverse rule. Means we have to reverse from passive to active. We have to reverse the rule. So verb is was scared. If you see, was scared is in was verb plus V3 form. So reverse means from passive to active. It is in second form of the verb. Means we have to write down only second form of the verb, and that is scared. The student scared. After writing the verb, remove by. By will be removed. Okay, we have selected the object. Verb also done. Now finally, subject goes to the place of object. Mr. Sai. And there is no other word. Full stop. So your answer is the student scared Mr. Sai. Now question number 2. I was called by him by my name. Underline the subject, the verb, object and other words. After underlining, object goes to the place of subject. Object is him. So pronoun how to change, that also we have seen. So this pronoun is in objective form. It is in passive form. In active form, we are going to write down as he. He. So object is done. Then write down the verb in reverse rule. Was called. Was where V3. As seen before, was where V3 is changed into second form of the verb. That is called. After writing the verb, remove by. By is removed. Subject goes to the place of object. Subject is I. I will be changed according to the rule of the pronoun from active to passive. And we will write down as me. He called me. Subject is done. Then the other words. Other word is by my name. Okay, so answer is he called me by my name. Full stop. So students, in this way, you have to change active to passive and passive to active voice sentences by utilizing these steps. So I have done with exercise B and C. This you have to do in your homework. And exercise number A, that is very simple. How to identify active and passive. In order to identify, means you have to check whether the sentence is in active voice or it is in passive voice. You can check only by what you have to do. You have to underline the verb. Underline the verb means find out the verb in the question and then check the verb in the previous video. Changing the tense or changing the verb forms. You check in that table, you can directly get the answer from there. Okay, so rule is in active voice, so I write the answer as active voice. Or the verb is in passive voice, you can write down the answer as passive voice. In this way, exercise A is very easy to be solved. So we have done with exercise A, B and exercise number C. So students, that's all for today. Thank you.